5 easy ideas to make money fast in 2025. Ready to turn your skills into income and thrive as a freelancer in 2025? Discover 5 game-changing ways to make money fast and achieve financial success. Whether you're starting from scratch or building on your expertise, these ideas will inspire and empower you. Invest in yourself. Learning high-demand skills like cybersecurity, prompt engineering, or WordPress can boost your earning potential exponentially. Take advantage of online courses, many of which offer certifications for free, and start standing out in today's competitive freelancing market. Got talent? Start freelancing. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork make it easy to connect with clients. From design to writing, there's a demand for every skill. Success takes persistence and finding your niche, but within months, you could see real income growth. Make money while you sleep. Sell stock photos, digital products, or invest in income-generating avenues like real estate or dividend stocks. Passive income ensures long-term financial health while freeing your time for what matters most. For quick cash, dive into gig work. Ride-sharing delivery apps or platforms like TaskRabbit offer flexible earning opportunities. While not a long-term solution, gigs can be a stepping stone toward larger goals. The sooner you start, the faster you earn. Choose one idea, commit to it, and begin transforming your financial life. Subscribe now for more powerful freelancing tips, and let's dive into building your dream income together.